On this episode, two speeds faster than the speed of light that we are not taught in school even today. You see, in school we were taught, the tortoise and the hare, the speed of a mongoose, the speed of sound, and finally, the speed of light being the fastest in the universe. They don't even tell us that the speed of sound and light both equal 9 because, if you're inquisitive, then you might ask questions. And that could be a problem to a system built on keeping you in check and keeping you limited. But either way, it's too late now. Because we believe there are two speeds faster than the speed of light. The fastest being the speed of nothing. I heard Dr. Stephen Greer a while back say that nothing is faster than light, and he's correct, because the speed of nothing is the speed of source. You see, source does not have to travel because it's already present in every conscious or living thing everywhere. So it's the speed of nothing. But I want to talk about another speed in between light and nothing, which is the speed of thought or energy. You see, sound is a vibration that travels across space at a speed of 1,234.8 kilometers an hour via a wave, which can dissipate. It can be distorted or even blocked. The speed of light, on the other hand, is a particle in wave. Therefore, it can also be distorted or blocked. And even though the speed of light is 1.8 billion kilometers an hour, in the universe, that is still slow. Let's look at it like this. Sunlight takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, but everything is happening in the now moment, not in the 8 minutes and 20 seconds from now. And the speed of thought, on the other hand, is a vibration and energy that travels across the invisible web of energy that connects everything together. It's like the motherboard on a computer. We explain this web on the Invisible Web of Energy episode. If you haven't watched it, I recommend you do. And because vibration and energy, aka thought, travels across the web, which is basically the wiring in the universe, it cannot dissipate, be distorted, or blocked. And the distance doesn't matter. It's pretty much instantaneous. For example, when we send and receive thoughts from the collective consciousness, we do that telepathically via our transmitter receiver, aka the pineal gland. So your attention is already there. You ask the question. And where attention goes, energy flows. Therefore, you're connected. So you can send and receive thoughts instantly. Basically, information that is not already in your brain. And when we tune inwards, like we talked about on How to Unlock the Genius Within episode, now you can access universal consciousness, way beyond our sun. Or when your sixth sense or intuition is guiding you, that is source, your higher self guiding you, from outside of this universe, and it all happens in the now moment. I can't tell you how fast energy is because I was never good at math, but I can tell you that light pales in comparison. Comparing the speed of sound to speed of light is like comparing the speed of light to the speed of energy, and the speed of energy to the speed of nothing. Put it this way, your phone is a perfect example of how this works. You can be anywhere in the world, or even on the moon, and our conversation would be pretty much instantaneous. After all, they created the phone based on your pineal gland, but again, it pales in comparison to what your pineal gland or third eye can do. You see, every living thing is telepathic. Everything can send and receive vibration. Vibration is the universal language, so there is no language barrier. You understand vibration because you decode it every time you receive a thought when no one is speaking to you. But with a little know-how and some practice, it can do much more for you. On a side note, your telepathic abilities can also be used against you. For example, someone can send you a thought that you didn't ask for in order to get you to do things that you wouldn't normally do. So pay attention to that, because your thoughts are not you, just like the radio is not the station that is playing at any given time. So it's always best to give space to a thought, analyze where it's coming from. Did you ask for it or not? And does it serve you or not before acting on it or claiming it as your own? We can go into more details about this in future episodes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow or subscribe, And if you like the content, hit that like button to help it reach more people. See you on the next one.